Quickest way to lose weight. Meet Emma. Emma is not happy about the way she looks, and everything she tried so far has had no result. Until she discovered how to use Sabja, basil, seeds to weight loss. Let's see what makes Sabja seeds good for weight loss and learn how to use them to get rid of the extra fat. Sabja seeds, or basil seeds, are full of fiber content, which keeps your stomach fuller for a longer time, further prevents overeating. Seeds have become the new superfoods. They not only possess essential nutrients but help lose weight efficiently. Among the many seeds, ranging from chia seeds to flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, Sabja or basil seeds have gained a reputation of a weight loss-friendly food for helping you shed off those kilos. Also known as Tuk Maria sweet basil seeds and tulsi seeds, these seeds help reduce body heat, control blood sugar levels, relieve constipation and bloating, and treat acidity and heartburn. And that's not it. Sabja seeds are known to be great for your skin and hair. They are rich in antioxidants and have immunity-boosting properties. How to use Sabja seeds for weight loss? Sabja seeds for weight loss and belly fat. Sabja seeds are most effective when soaked in water and consumed. Since they are hard to chew, adding them into water will make them translucent and soft. All you need to do is to soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sabja seeds in a cupful of warm water for about 15 minutes to burn belly fat. It's because of the warm water, the seeds get swelled up and release digestive enzymes. There are various other ways you can include Sabja seeds in your diet. Since they have a neutral taste, they can be easily combined with other foods to make palatable foods and drinks replete with the goodness of Sabja seeds. Milkshakes. Just like chia seeds, Sabja seeds can be added to milkshakes and smoothies along with other fruits, flavors like maple syrup, honey, etc. of your choice. Lemonade. The refreshing drink of lemon juice can be turned healthier with the addition of beaten Sabja seeds. Desserts. Yes, these seeds can be seamlessly included in any dessert recipe. Include them in the nuts and seeds mix that you add to desserts like halwa, pie and tea cakes. Soups. Sabja seeds will work great as one of the ingredients of your humble soup. The already healthy dish will turn healthier with its inclusion. Garnish for salads. Sabja seeds can be easily used as a part of the dressing or vinaigrette for salads. These seeds will add some crunch and healthfulness to any salad you include it to it. You could sprinkle these seeds on drinks like lemonade and green tea, or you can also munch on these seeds as a low-calorie snack alternative. Better still, add it to your soups and salads. Sabja seeds side effects for pregnant women and children. Vitamin K present in Sabja seeds may increase the chances of blood clotting and may reduce the effects of blood thinning drugs and related treatments. Since Sabja seeds are rich in fiber content, they may cause digestive issues like bloating. Because our digestion system may take some time to adjust to the new diet comprising high fiber intake, it is suggested to include and increase the amount of Sabja seeds in the diet gradually. Caution: pregnant ladies and children should avoid eating these seeds. Children could choke on them if they are not mixed well with water. On the other hand, Sabja seeds are believed to reduce the levels of estrogen in the body. Make sure you consult a doctor if you are pregnant or suffering from any health condition to avoid any complication. Now Emma is slim and happy again. With the way she looks, everybody should know her story.